We are excited to introduce LIC's Index Plus, launched on 6th February 2024. This unique plan combines the security of life insurance with the growth potential of market-linked investments, giving you the best of both worlds. Let's explore how LIC's Index Plus can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. As a policyholder, you have the flexibility to invest your premiums in one of two distinct fund options, each designed to help you achieve market-linked growth in a unique way. The Flexi Growth Fund strategically allocates 0 to 20% to government securities, 0 to 40% to money market instruments, and 40 to 100% to listed equities. This fund is focused on providing long-term capital appreciation by investing primarily in carefully selected stocks that are part of the NSE 100 index. The Flexi Smart Growth Fund mirrors the allocation strategy, with 0 to 20% in government securities, 0 to 40% in money market instruments, and 40 to 100% in listed equities. However, it targets long-term capital growth by investing primarily in select stocks from the NSE 50 index, offering another avenue for potential returns. When choosing between the Flexi Growth Fund and the Flexi Smart Growth Fund, it's important to understand the underlying indices they track, Nifty 100 and Nifty 50. The Nifty 50 index represents the top 50 large-cap companies in India. These companies are known for their stability and consistent performance, making the Nifty 50 a benchmark of the Indian economy's strength. Historically, Nifty 50 has offered steady returns with less volatility, making it ideal for investors seeking reliable growth with moderate risk. On the other hand, the Nifty 100 index includes the top 100 companies, encompassing not only the Nifty 50 but also an additional 50 mid to large cap companies. This broader exposure offers greater potential for growth, particularly during bullish market conditions. However, it also introduces more volatility, making the Nifty 100 suitable for investors willing to take on higher risk in pursuit of higher returns. The Flexi Growth Fund, which tracks the Nifty 100, is perfect for those who are comfortable with short-term market fluctuations and seek higher long-term gains. Meanwhile, the Flexi Smart Growth Fund, based on the Nifty 50, is designed for those who prioritize stability and consistent returns, making it a safer choice for conservative investors. By understanding the difference in these indices, you can choose the fund that best aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. As you continue with your policy, guaranteed additions will be credited to your unit fund at the end of specific policy years. These additions are a percentage of your annualized premium and vary based on the amount you pay annually. For instance, at the end of the 6th policy year, if your annualized premium is less than 48,000 rupees, you'll receive a 3% addition to your unit fund. However, if your annualized premium is 48,000 rupees or more, you'll receive a 5% addition. This pattern continues with increases at the 10th, 15th, 20th, and 25th policy years. To give you a clearer picture, by the 10th year, the guaranteed addition is 6% for premiums below 48,000 rupees and 10% for premiums 48,000 rupees or above. By the 25th year, these additions rise to 18% and 30% respectively. This feature ensures that your savings grow steadily over time, significantly enhancing the value of your investment. One of the key aspects of LIC's Index Plus is the flexibility it offers in coverage options, allowing you to choose between two levels of protection, 7 times or 10 times your annualized premium. If you opt for coverage that is 7 times your annualized premium, this provides a solid layer of protection for your loved ones. However, it's important to note that while this offers significant coverage, the premium paid might not qualify for certain tax benefits under Section 80C and 10, 10D. Choosing coverage at 10 times your annualized premium not only enhances your protection but also provides significant tax advantages. When you opt for this level of coverage, your premiums qualify for tax deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Moreover, the entire maturity benefit, including any growth, will be tax-free, making it a highly attractive option compared to mutual funds, where both long-term and short-term capital gains taxes would apply. This flexibility in coverage options allows you to tailor your policy not only to meet your protection needs but also to optimize your tax benefits, ensuring your savings work harder for you. LIC's Index Plus offers a range of benefits designed to protect your loved ones and enhance your financial growth. First, let's talk about the death benefit. In the unfortunate event of the life assured's passing, the benefits vary depending on the timing of the loss. If the life assured passes away before the date of commencement of risk, the nominee will receive the unit fund value as of the date of death notification. However, if the life assured passes away after the date of commencement of risk, the nominee will receive the highest of the following amounts: the basic sum assured, reduced by any partial withdrawals made in the 2 years before death, the unit fund value on the date of death notification, or 105% of the total premiums paid up to the date of death, also reduced by any partial withdrawals made within the last 2 years. Next, we have the maturity benefit. If the life assured survives until the policy's maturity, the policyholder will receive the unit fund value as of the maturity date. Additionally, LIC's Index Plus provides a unique feature: refund of mortality charges. If the policyholder survives the entire term and has paid all due premiums, they will receive a refund of the mortality charges deducted throughout the policy. This refund excludes any extra charges or taxes. LIC's Index Plus also offers you the flexibility of partial withdrawals, providing you with liquidity when you need it the most. After a specified period, you can withdraw a portion of your investment, allowing you to access funds for unexpected expenses or financial opportunities, all while keeping your policy intact and continuing to grow. Let's take a closer look at how LIC's Index Plus works. First, you choose your preferred investment fund, Flexi Growth or Flexi Smart Growth, based on your financial goals and risk appetite. Next, your premiums are invested in the selected fund, where they have the potential to grow according to the performance of the underlying stocks in the Nifty 100 or Nifty 50 indices. Throughout the policy term, your investment benefits from guaranteed additions at specific intervals, boosting the overall value of your unit fund. Finally, at maturity, or in the unfortunate event of the policyholder's demise, the accumulated value of the units is paid out, ensuring that your financial goals are met and your loved ones are protected. It's essential to understand the charges associated with LIC's Index Plus, as these can impact your investment over time. First, we have the premium allocation charge. This fee is deducted from your premium before any units are purchased. Next, there are the mortality and accident benefit charges. These are deducted monthly from your unit fund to cover the cost of life insurance and any additional riders you may have chosen. Lastly, the fund management charge is a small percentage of your fund's value, deducted daily while computation of NUF to cover the cost of managing your investments. LIC's Index Plus is more than just an investment plan. It's a comprehensive solution that combines the security of life insurance with the potential for wealth growth. With